everybody, welcome back to our new video. In today's video, it's different. We're not playing Roblox House, we're playing MM2. It's also called Murder Mystery 2. So look at my friends. Let's dance. Yeah, I'm an honor family. Yeah. Oh my god. Oh no, I'm scared. Guys, people are shooting us. I am in my new home. I am very scared. Help me, please. I'm very bad at this game. I only. Oh my god! No! Felix is the murderer, I think. He was hiding behind the door. Oh no! Oh no! Hey, hey, hey. Oh no! Oh no! He's after me, guys. Help me! Help me! Guys, he is the murderer. Oh no! He can't see me. He. I am hidden. I'm a gym man. अभी भी आया Oh no! What's happening? I'm actually very scared, guys. If they catch us, we have to dance. Yeah. So I will order fun. I will order some. Guys, look at my aura. Me and Sado are aura farming. Oh shit! Nine! No! Guys, I forgot to tell you that we're actually Indian, so we'll say a little of Indian language. It's called Hindi. A little, not that much. A little, sometimes, not that much. What? You saw the portrait? Oh no, there he is! I died. Guys, I died. Now I'll spectate everyone. Oh my god, no way Felix is running away. Felix the murderer? You're gonna die. He's right there. He's the murderer. Who won? Go the sheriff. Innocent win, let's go. Yo, Shadow, can you gift me something, please? Shadow, can you gift me something? No, I also gave you stuff. You don't give me stuff. Yeah, thank you. Okay, now give me something. Give me something. No, give me something better. No, give me the gun. Give me gun. Give me gun. I don't have good gun. I gave you my good gun. I gave you my good gun. Oh, you are bad boy. Nobody will tell each other what they are, okay? No, I'm not. Yes, I am. How did you know? Oh no! Oh no! But I just wanted to know. I'm going to kill Felix. Come here, my. Come here. Dun, 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 dun. I'm going to jump here. Then I'm going to go here. And then go. Oh my god! Oh my god, that person is on a killing spree. Shoot him, my friend. Shoot him. Shoot him. Bro, I'm just enjoying the whole fight. I'm buzzing my You know what I'm gonna do? With my lovely night. Bro, why is the sheriff so bad? It should have been me. I would have shot him. Yes. Please give me gun. Please give me gun. Give me any good gun. Really, bro? Really? Give me gun. Oh no!
Oh!
No, I didn't fight the gun. I didn't fight the gun. I'm next game. I'm going to become the murderer go on a killing spree and kill everyone. You were the saddest. You were the bro. Can I please have that? Can I please have that gun? No. No, I gave you my gun when I had nothing, so you give me now. Or you a traitor. Okay, I'm a traitor. Yes, you are. I knew. Yeah. You are black. You're black. That's why. Okay, I'm not racist. I'm very sorry. I'm very sorry. I'm very sorry. I'm very sorry. Please don't demonetize me, YouTube. Please. I'm very sorry. I'm very sorry. Sorry. Let's see what I become. Oh okay. My god! This time I am the murderer. I'm just kidding. I'm not. Oh my god. Me and Felix are going to go together. Come on, Felix. Let's go. Come on, Felix. I'm gonna let's Felix come. We'll all farm together. Can't you open the door? Oh no. I'm gonna go collect the coins and I'm going to hide in the closet. Nobody can see me. Nobody can see me. Bro, when am I going to become the murderer and never become it? Oh my god, I am in the vents. I am venting, guys. This is. Bro. I'm a spam. I'm a spam. I'm spam. He can't hit me. He can't hit me. He can't hit me. He can't hit me. He can't. Let's go. He can't hit me. Come on. Come on, everybody. Yes. I will go on a killing spree. Bro, why can't I kill him? Why can't I kill him? Kill him. Am I lagging? I'm lagging. Oh. Come. Come, everybody. I will kill you. I will kill everyone. Yes. I'm lagging. For real. Am I dead? Oh my god, I have to go. Bro, why am I lagging so bad? I'm lagging. Bro, just come kill. Just somebody go kill me, bro. Bro, I'm actually done for. When I become the murderer, I don't get the stuff. Am I still alive?
A few moments later.
It's working, it's working. Yo, no. Let's go. 3 more times. All fun. That's fine. Yeah. What? Better than all of us. If I become sheriff and you become murderer, it will be so fun because I will carry everyone. Yes, everybody is saying that it was a laggy game. Yes, it was a very laggy game. Bro, I can't hear you. Why can't you speak properly? Yes, agree with you. Okay. Dun, 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 dun. Guys, I have a revolver. I'll shoot somebody. Yeah. No, yes. I'm actually murderer again. I'm going to go kill him. Hello, but hello, little kid. I will kill him. Hello, Mr. Friend. Who are you? Now I done. Oh my god. Ah! Who is it? Who is it? Who is it? Is it a girl or oh? Oh no. Oh no. Run, run. No! Run! Oh Where's Felix? Run away. You shadow spectate me. Yo, hello Felix. Hello Felix. Yo, Felix. I'm right here. Kill me. Where is Felix? Where's Felix? Where is Felix? So where's Felix? He's hiding. Come out. Kill me. Try to kill me. Yo, Shadow, tell me where Felix is. Where is he? He was inside over there. Oh, that was actually pretty smart. No, I will spectate you. Oh no, where you were camping? No, it's not him, I think. No way. Look at this menace. Look at this red eye menace. Bro, why is dude looking at the wall? Bro, why are you trying to throw knife? Just kill them with it. You're gonna lose, you know that. When can I buy it? When can I buy it? Bro, can you please gift me something good, bro? Bro, can you please gift me something good, bro? Shadow. Shadow, please give me a gun. You had. No, I gave you that played gun. Don't you have? No way you lost. Felix, then you. Bro, please give me something, Shadow. Shadow, please give me. Please. Give me gun. I also gave you gun when I didn't have anything, please. Bro, why is Tehan telling us that's his real name, guys? Guys, he is not in our clan. He is a bad person. He just changed his name. He trash talks. He's a liar. He's not in our clan. Oh my god, I'm not going to be the one to sell anything. I'm innocent. I have teleported to the world of the teleported to the oh my god. Oh no. Oh my god. No side. Who kills my little boy Felix? Somebody shut up, you not sides. I didn't lose. I won. No! He's camping the gun. He's camping the gun. I saw him. No, bro's actually laughing at Felix, this guy named Subham. So, oh, I double up. How did that happen? Wait, if you jump on somebody head when they are jumping, that's actually insane. It makes you double jump. That 10, 10, 10. Look at this. Let me clutch up. Oh my god. Guys, should we play some other game after this round? So which game should we play? What? No, 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 no. That's a bad game. Let's play. Let's play. Troll is a pinning tower too. It has. Okay. Okay. Let's play. Let's play. A troll is a pinning tower too. Let me leave, guys. Bro, you can't speak properly. I can't hear you. Please speak properly. No, come, please come, please come, please come. Yes. Yeah, bro. Nah, bro really thinks we're gonna play this because Felix is also saying to play this game. Send me invite. Okay. Should we? Let's play in a private server. Let me see. Bro, you're lagging. No way. We have to give 10 Robux per month. I'll just join the public server. Join me. I'll send you an invite. How about that? Let me just send it to you right now. Invite friends. No, in this server there's only one girl. Nobody else. Like there's one person. Bro, join me, Felix. Come, Felix. Yeah, whoever loses, he's an idiot. Okay, wait for Felix to come. Felix, who? Him. So should we start? Why did like he join us? What's his name? His real name is Ayush. He's Hawkeye, but he joined in his alt because he's went somewhere. Cause I'm locked in. I'm locked in. How am I doing this? What are you saying? What? Where are you, bro? Bro, he left the call. So should we start? Where are you? Okay, 3. I didn't die. I didn't take damage either. Oh shit. No, no, no. Oh my god, how are you doing this? No, no, wait. Wait. Felix came. Come back down. Bro, come down. Shadow come or else no. Shadow come. Felix join me. Come, Shadow. That's actually not fair, Shadow. Okay. Where's Felix? Okay. Felix, 3, 2, 1, start. Oh my god, I'm so bad at the wall hops. You know what? I got a bias laugh. Yeah, they're not wall hops. Bro, I bet you Shadow's going to win. Shadow is going to win. He plays too much of these games. He's played these games before. Me too. I've never played in hobby that much. I've only played it. Oh my god, this is so hard. No! No, you have to slap. We're not. Bro, why is Hawkeye inviting us? We're not going to play rivals. Today we're not playing rivals. Oh my god. Why is everybody so good at the side jumps? Oh my god, and I'm so bad. You know what? Bet. Bet. I'm buying the slap. I'm done. You can't buy the slap. Why? I'm a gamble. No, I can't gamble. This is so bad.
I have to wait.
Bro, why is Shadow so good?
Waiting to close the right. What do you mean?
Actually, okay, you know what? Bet. Guys, I'm gonna. Oh my god, I found a shortcut. Let's go. Let's go. I found a shortcut. I found a shortcut.
Sir.
To the bottom.
Listen.
You know what? Let me cook. Let me cook. Let me genuinely cook. I found a shortcut. Oh, Felix also found it. And Shadow.
I didn't know that. Yes, that you have such cheating.
I would say hacking.
I'm starting so.
Oh my god, this is so hard. This is so hard. Oh my god. This is not the. How do I get up there? No! No! I fell down! Oh! This is so bad. You know what? Let me cook. I'm in my villain art. I'm going to beat all of you.
Bro, I just left the game and coming back. I was lagging so hard.
I am not locked in. I fell twice after saying I'm locked in. I'm going to beat Felix. No, he's ahead of me. How are you so good, Felix?
Bro, I'm back.
Because you're fat?
I'm a professional.
Or you're a pro at hobbies?
See me do the side jump.
It's easy, bro. The side jumps are easy. Bro, the side jumps are easy. But on mobile, it's easier. So, all of you are going to fail at this part. Oh no, Shadow knows how to do it. Me too. No, we gotta go up there to troll. You're gonna.
What the hell is happening?
He's gonna troll us. He's gonna troll us. Bro, please let me come. Please. Please, bro. I need this. You're actually such a bad friend. You know what? Go die.
What appreciate that. I can see you guys. Like believe me. Hello?
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 I have locked in so bro.
Okay. I can see you guys. You're beneath me. So no.
Bro, you know what? You fell down?
Yeah, I can see your hands still and above you. Hello?
You're above me.
I'm
No, Vip, you're above me. I'm Prodigy. Yeah. You know what?
2 or 3 minutes.
Why?
I have to go to the hospital for some reason.
Why?
For the some reason.
For the
Why would I do that?
bro, please let me come, bro. Please, Shadow, just this once. Or else you're a bad friend. Oh my god, no! No! You know what? I'm a lock-in.
What are you saying for the like?
I bet. Look, I already came up here to the blue part. I'm too good.
I'm on the red part.
No, please don't do that. Let's start from the beginning, please, once. Please. Please. I'll also go down. I'm at the top.
Where is the blue and the blue?
Bro, please. Let's just do it once, please. Once more.
Why? Okay.
Let's go. Come down.
I am at the top now. I am ahead of you.
Bro, everybody jump down. We're gonna start the race again.
Okay.
Anyway works. Anyway, which way you want. Okay, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1, go.
I'm 2 minutes.
Why are you guys ahead of me? Are you guys just better?
Yeah. So let's just start, bro. Bro did one that's sorry, bro. One was one.
I fell down. No.
I'm on the green area already.
Bro's fast. Very fast.
Okay, I got to go. I got to go. That's cheating.
How did I cheat? I came with you. I came with you. I didn't cheat. Oh no, I'm gonna die at this part. At least I'm ahead of Felix.
Bro, I'm here. I'm on the yellow part.
You're on the yellow point? Me too. I just fell down and all.
I have to
No! You know what? Let me lock in. Let me lock in.
I'm sorry, bad, bro.
Okay, bet I came. I'm already at the blue part, you weakling.
I am at the yellow part.
Me too. And I'm ahead of you.
Hello. Hello, Prodigy.
You're gonna troll me? Try to. Try to.
A few moments later.
Please wait for me. No.
Bro, did you know? Did you know? Will you come to school tomorrow?
Yeah, I will.
Tomorrow is not school, idiot. Okay, if you do it again, you're an idiot. You know what? Felix, let's race. Felix, have you died?
No, I'm going now.
I am already at the blue part. I'm on the yellow part now. No! I fell down. Let me lock in. Let me lock in. I'm at the blue part again.
Minutes was done.
Is Felix ahead of me? Felix, come race. Felix, come race with me. Oh, he left. Okay, you race. This time it's a real race. Oh, he left. Oh, you do want? Do you want to do a real race?
That's what you are doing, I guess.
No, because you cheated. We got to not troll each other and start from the start.
Okay, I'm coming from the start.
Let's them down together. Yippee! Okay, 3, 2,
Oh, but no.
go. No,
First, I can see you go there in the light area and telecom.
which?
I can also do that.
Okay, then do it.
I did it. I'm behind you.
Oh my God, no! Ryan, you're not behind me. You are. Oh my God, how? How is this happening?
Yes.
You can do it, please. We said no trolls. This was a deal.
Okay. Bye.
This is so. Hello, cute boy. I'm going to catch you and you can't. Let me lock in, guys.
The public bro saying it is on the sixth time.
Guys, I'm too bad, bro. He's too. His little mobile hands are too good.
I also fell for you. I'm on the yellow part. Not on the green part.
You fell down and now you're on the green part. How? You're cheating. I knew it.
No. Fell on the like yellow part. Then right under jump. Left.
You're on the white part. No, bro. Why are you so good? If you reach first, you're an idiot.
Value of process.
But even if that, you're still an idiot.
I'm better than you. Just fix it too.
In which thing?
Everything.
Everything. I got more marks than you. You know that, right?
So you are mad, bro. When I did one time to study, but people are not like you.
But you study 3 hours. What do you mean? Even if I study, I only study half an hour. Still L.
You have
You can ask my mom. I only study. After this, which game should we play? Should we make this video 1 hour long?
No.
Because it's already almost, it's half an hour. Should we end it? I forgot how to do this. Shit, I forgot how to do this part. Oh, I did it. It was pretty easy. Which part are you at?
No.
Pink! After this, we're going to play at Tower of Hell. Whoever wins, he's the best.
I didn't tell.
I'm too bad, guys. Just bad. You know what? This time I will go from the start. I will not cheat. I'm going to go like this kid. How the game supposed? How you won?
From the end almost.
Okay, you're too good. After this, we will have one more race, please.
That's it.
Did you fall down?
No, I didn't.
Did you win?
No.
Did you reach the top?
I'm very behind you. I can't find you, bro.
You fell for me? Fall for me again.
Like, Tower of Hell. Purple card, actually.
Let's play Tower of Hell.
Okay, I'm joining you.
No, okay, let me leave. Guys, Tower of Hell is a little hard, I think, right? No,
Yeah,
it's easier. It's easier. This video could be a little long, guys, so please stay tuned. And if you're still here, if you're still with us right here, so please give us a favor and smash that like and
Yeah.
subscribe button. Join me, join me, join me, join me, join me, join me, bro, join me. Wait a second, I haven't came in the game.
I didn't know
No,
the
the network, the network is so bad. Okay, join me now. Join me. Let's go.
game. Let's make this for the first time.
Actually, me too. Let's go. 3,
Uh,
2, 1, start. Are you coming? Bro, I'm lagging, so I can't see you running properly. But I am lagging. Just to tell you that. And you are ahead of me again. Oh my god. I am so bad. I just jumped over Fred. Bro, you're so far away. You're too good. This guy is lagging. Oh my.
let's play my race too.
Bro, I hate this game is too hard. Where are
Yeah,
you?
let's play something else. My friend developed survival. It will be fun.
What? What should we?
Let's play survival.
Should we?
Let's play bomb chip.
What?
Bomb chip.
What's that? Bomb check.
Let's play bomb and 3 chips and
Bomb? What do you mean by bomb?
right. Like bomb and only of 3 chips if you're opponent, then you have to eat them and it explodes like that.
Let's play choose a number.
Yeah.
Let's. So what should we play? Bomb chip.
Yeah.
Okay. Will I join you or you will join me?
You guys are already in the game waiting for you.
Okay, boy. 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 I will join you, boy. Is there a private server in this?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Why? What happened? What happened? Oh shit, what happened?
Well,
Something happened. Something happened. It should have been here. No, something very bad. Okay, let's come. Come. Let's come. Yeah, fine. You're gonna lose. I'm gonna beat you. Why do you have Christmas trees?
so bad then. you done?
Yes.
Hmm. Hmm. Press up and skip.
No, you're so lucky.
Wow, okay. There's a pattern.
Which one did you eat? I didn't see.
Yeah, it's not there.
I knew it. Knew it. I knew it. Always the middle.
Um,
Was locking it. Bro, eat. Let's go. Where? No. Let's go. I won. Let's join me. Ah, that girl is about to come. I have a one win streak and it's going to become a 10 wins. Are you done? Eat.
yeah.
My order. What? It's pretty good.
Do you like the game?
Yes. Let's go again. Come.
I understand how you play now. Let's stop it there.
Done.
What's done?
Can I win? I can't. At this point, I can't. But I will. I will lock him. I will lock him, guys. I'll lock him. Wait a second. You did it? You can't. Get to on my charger. Okay.
Guru, that is a prize.
You only won one game, bro. Stop being toxic.
Wanna play rival?
What?
Wanna play rival?
Do you wanna?
No, yeah, I wanna.
Rivals, bro. It's already like 40 minutes into the video.
And let's play another game.
Will we actually play that many games?
Listen. End the video. Let's make another one.
Another video.
Yeah, as rivals.
Nice. So bye everyone. We're going to make one more video and go watch that right now. Bye.